Hello everyone. Let's talk about a feeling so many of us know, being tired all the time, even when we're doing everything right. If you're a woman over 30 and your energy keeps dipping, you're not imagining it. Our bodies and lives shift in this decade, and what used to work might not anymore. It's not about pushing harder. It's about understanding what your body is asking for. Today, we'll uncover 5 real reasons you may feel tired constantly, and what you can do to fix them naturally. Let's get started. We think more sleep is the answer, but it's the quality of sleep that matters most. You can be in bed for 8 hours, but if you're not reaching deep, restorative sleep, you'll still wake up exhausted. Modern life keeps our minds racing. Screens, stress, and blue light all disrupt our natural rhythms. This leads to junk sleep. It looks like rest, but it doesn't restore you. The fix? Create a nightly ritual to invite real rest. An hour before bed, power down your screens. Dim the lights to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Brew a cup of calming herbal tea, like chamomile, and let yourself slow down. Read a few pages of a book, listen to soft music, or simply breathe in the quiet. Let go of the day's worries. They'll be there tomorrow, but you'll handle them better after real rest. These aren't drastic changes, just gentle invitations to relearn the language of rest. Be patient. It takes time to reset your sleep rhythm. By practicing this ritual, you're sending a powerful message to your body. It's safe to rest. Over time, these small shifts help restore your natural energy. Remember, true rest is a gift you give yourself. Make it a non-negotiable appointment. Your body will thank you. Quality sleep is the foundation of lasting energy. Start tonight. Your future self will feel the difference. Don't settle for junk sleep. Choose restoration. Your energy depends on it. Let's move to the next reason you might be tired. Ready? Your gut is more than a digestive system. It's your second brain, deeply connected to your energy and mood. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, you can feel tired, anxious, or down. Stress, medications, and processed foods can disrupt this balance. To heal your gut, start your day with warm lemon water to wake up your system. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut for probiotics. Feed your good bacteria with fiber from fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Even small changes like a spoonful of sauerkraut or a handful of berries help your gut thrive. Think of it as tending to your inner garden. A healthy gut means better digestion, mood, and energy. These daily acts of kindness to your body add up. When your gut is happy, your whole system works better. Don't underestimate the power of gut health. It's a key to unlocking deep, sustained energy. Start with one gut-friendly habit today. Your energy will thank you. Let's talk about another hidden energy thief, your hormones. Here's what you need to know. In your 30s, your hormones start to shift, sometimes subtly, sometimes not. Estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol all play a role in your energy. You might notice more stress, brain fog, or trouble sleeping. This is your body's way of asking for new support. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol, leading to adrenal fatigue and deep exhaustion. Support your hormones with nourishing foods, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, and cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower. Get morning sunlight for 10-15 minutes to reset your circadian rhythm and balance cortisol. Don't skip meals. Steady nourishment keeps your blood sugar and hormones stable. Focus on 3 balanced meals a day with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Stop multitasking. Focus on one thing at a time to calm your nervous system. These gentle shifts help your hormones find balance. Listen to your body's whispers before they become screams. Honor this season of life with supportive choices. Reclaim your energy by working with your body, not against it. Hormonal balance is possible, one small step at a time. Next, let's tackle a daily energy thief: blood sugar swings. Ready to break the cycle? Here's how. Your energy is about to get steadier. Let's go. That mid-afternoon slump? It's often a blood sugar roller coaster. Sugary foods and refined carbs cause spikes, then crashes, leaving you tired and craving more sugar. This cycle is exhausting and can lead to long-term fatigue. The fix starts with breakfast. Choose high-protein options like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Protein keeps your energy steady and prevents morning crashes. Throughout the day, watch for hidden sugars in sauces, snacks, and drinks. Choose whole, unprocessed foods and pair carbs with protein or healthy fats. Opt for complex carbs like sweet potatoes or quinoa for slow, steady energy. Add cinnamon to meals. It helps balance blood sugar naturally. These small changes stabilize your energy all day. No more roller coaster, just smooth, reliable focus. Take control of your energy at its source. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about the invisible weight you might be carrying, the mental load. It's real, and it matters. Here's how to lighten it. Beyond the physical, there's an invisible reason for exhaustion, the mental load. It's the endless to-do list, the responsibilities, the worries, always running in the background. This constant mental work is draining, even if you're sitting still. Chronic stress keeps your nervous system on high alert, burning through your energy reserves. Rest isn't just for your body, it's for your mind too. Start by acknowledging your exhaustion is real and valid. Create intentional moments of peace. Pause, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths. This simple act calms your nervous system and signals safety. Try gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each night. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's good. Use calming scents like lavender to create a peaceful environment. Protect your peace fiercely. You can't pour from an empty cup. Lighten your mental load with small daily rituals. Your energy will begin to return. You deserve rest, body and mind. Let's wrap up with a reminder. Your body is always talking to you. Listen closely. 5 real reasons for your tiredness. Sleep quality, gut health, hormones, blood sugar, and mental load. It's all connected, and your body is always sending signals. Don't ignore your fatigue. It's a message, not a flaw. Start small. Put your phone away before bed. Drink lemon water or take 3 deep breaths when overwhelmed. 1 daily shift is all it takes to begin restoring your energy. Be gentle with yourself. This is a journey, not a race. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life wellness tips for women 30 and beyond. Thank you for spending this time with me. Your energy is worth protecting. Take care.